Now, let's move to the Beautifulsoup example. It's going to be very quick. First of all, in order to install this on your machine, you need to type pip install Beautifulsoup 4, as you can find in this documentation on your terminal. So I have actually prepared very quick examples on how to use Beautifulsoup until it sets a path for the future videos. As I said, we need to actually use the help of other libraries. So here I'm going to import the URL leap.request library, and obviously you need to import the Beautifulsoup as well. So first, these code should be run. Then you need to specify the URL that you're going to scrape using Beautifulsoup. So this is the URL address. Then we will ask the URL to be opened. So that's URL lib.request.url open of this address. And then what's going to happen is that we're going to supply the variable page here. And this is our parser, which I mentioned earlier in the video. So it's going to be either the HTML parser or the LXML parser, which doesn't really matter. So I'm going to actually run this cell as well, and this is what we find here. So the variable is called soup. So I have written a for loop. So for all the instances for I in soup.findAll the paragraph. So we ask this through this code. We are actually asking to find all the instances of the paragraph and then just print the text element of the paragraph. So if I run this, you realize that it's much better and much faster and cleaner than the scrapey. So this is one of the differences that you find between Beautifulsoup and the scrapey.